Welcome to the 35th Annual Steel Awards. This evening we celebrate not only excellence in the use of structural steel, but we also reflect on the 60-year legacy of the Southern African Institute of Steel Construction.
One of my first big jobs in the early 1970s was for 129 Rand a short ton, supplied, delivered, erected with 3 coats of water sealers paint. So that's about 142 Rand a metric ton, comparing to, I don't really know the figures today, but I guess between 25 and 30,000 Rand a ton.
Our first category for the evening is the ASTPM Tubular category. Our grateful thanks go out to the Association of Steel Tube and Pipe Manufacturers of South Africa for this award as an ongoing incentive to design and construct in tubular steel. The shortlisted projects are the fully welded spine structure of Waterfall Wilds Lifestyle Centre uses double tubular columns and rafters and incorporates bends and tapers with unique connections and details. The Mall of Africa's central skylight is an impressive combination of a free-form structure with triangular ETFE pillows on a massive scale, 4,420 square meters to be exact. The new head office for Statistics South Africa contains unique tapered tubular columns or pickup sticks that perform both structural and aesthetic functions. The KPMG Campus Phase 3 boasts 2 feature trees, each near 14 meters in height, which span and curve along 3 different planes. The unorthodox radius flow of connections presented installation challenges. With limited demand for tornado rolling equipment, this architectural feature was produced in segments with different radius pipes welded flush on site. Home to Bloemfontein Celtic, the Siesa Ramabodu Stadium was renovated to better serve the community by increasing its capacity, comfort and quality as a sporting venue. The eThekwini municipality restored the smiles and dignity of street vendors with the Hammarsdale container trader shelters, consisting of fully fitted steel shipping containers with oversailing steel roofs. The Greenacres Shopping Centre tree-inspired feature support system was fabricated from circular hollow sections, which reduced several times in the length of the branches. And the winner of the ASTPM tubular category is Siesa Ramabodu Stadium.
The stadium comprises 2 components. One is the existing Western Pavilion, the other is the new Grandstand Pavilion.
The first impression that I had on seeing photographs was that perhaps the Toblerone shaped truss was upside down because under gravity load the bottom member's in compression. But the photographs lied. The bottom chord in fact bifurcates in the high stress regions to deal with the higher loads. And when that sort of struck me, the whole thing just fits together and said, here's an engineer who knows what he's doing.
Main challenge was to cast in the structure that will carry the gutter boxes at the back. Now you must align your trusses so that you've got an even line, as you can see there at this moment.
Working with curves is always a problem. We know for sure that the concrete's not going to be in the right place. And yet here was a method that was designed to deal with the small variations in the positions of the concrete work.
To get the whole design from the architect and engineer right, that was basically one of the biggest challenges.
Steel was always our preferable material simply because of the material's durability.
I think this one was an obvious winner. This one just had a wow factor about it. It was so nice to see, so clean, the lines, doing everything that you want tubular to do.
The biggest thing on this was basically to get it done in time, for the first matches, and the community was so happy when finally they got the stadium open and going.